Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today we have an amazing Dollar Tree haul. So one of the first items I found was this awesome galvanized flower and garden pot, and it says the same thing on the back. This is the shorter one. They did have a taller one, and I did haul that as well. You would have seen that in one of my recent videos, and I'll leave that linked for you. I did find the taller one of these, and I already hauled the shorter one last year, but I never found those. And then I seen these awesome terrariums. I picked up two of them, and they're a large size, and they're so awesome. So I finally found this Lazy Susan. There was only one, but I've been looking for some for a while, like probably a year now. I picked up these magnetic clips that I've been looking for a long time as well. And these awesome succulents I found. So I have like so many succulents, but I don't think I have this one, nor do I have this one. I don't think I do. I might have them, but I don't really think I have those. And I just thought they were absolutely gorgeous. So also these, and they're so awesome because they come with three and they look so realistic. I posted these pictures in my Facebook group, Dollar Tree Craftaholics on Facebook. Check me out. And everyone's like, are those real? Are those real? And I'm like, no, they're not real. They just look really real. As you can see, they have like those little hairs on them to make them look realistic. They're gorgeous. So I have awesome DIY planned for these. I also found these guys, these little bamboo sticks, which I was excited to find, and this cactus. And look inside how it has like the sand, realistic looking sand. These are so awesome for $1. So I have awesome DIY planned for all of this stuff, so definitely stay tuned for that. And if you're new, definitely hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of these awesome DIYs I have planned. So I found another one of these mugs here, and this is an awesome deal for $1 as well. I do have about 3 or 4 of them, and I just pick them up every time I find them because they're just so great for $1. Then I found this really cute owl hand soap pump. I thought that was so cute, and that's gonna go in my daughter's Easter basket. So I picked up a few baby shower items. These are the baby blocks in pink and blue. I also picked up these little rattles, and I did pick up these little glass pacifiers. I don't know why they didn't make it in the video, but then I picked this little cute thing up, the LED glow art for my daughter. That's going in her Easter basket. And I found this really cute bunny bath sponge, and that's also going in her Easter basket. I also found these copper push pins, and this is going to be for an upcoming DIY. And I picked up some more of these decals. You guys kept saying that they were hard to find, so I found these 3 more, and this is actually going to be for a giveaway. Stay tuned to find out at the end what you need to do to enter. So I found these awesome nails. I have them on right now, as you can see, and I was super excited. I found these again, and these I've found those previous times. Picked up a bunch of new nails. My nail stash was completely low, so I was so happy to find all these awesome, amazing nails. So for the giveaway, all you're gonna need to do is be a subscriber, like the video, share the video, and comment in the comment area, I can't find the decals, and I will pick a winner in a week from today. So these are all the nails I found, and they're just amazing and beautiful. These are the impressed nails. I love these. I do use a little bit of glue with those anyway, even though they have the glue on them. If you guys want to see how to apply these nails, leave a comment and I will do a video. So also I found this gorgeous pink Kiss Gel nail polish. I picked up this clear tray. You can find this in the kitchen area. So I just picked up one because I needed it for my little cubby that I have in my bathroom, and it holds a lot of makeup. If you guys want to see the DIY makeup cubby that I did as well, I'll leave that linked for you. Check that out. And here it is in my cubby, holding some more palettes and a bunch more makeup. And then the last items I picked up were these little square baskets, and these are also for a DIY. So thanks for watching, guys. If you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you really soon in the next video.